Welcome to a relaxing and rejuvenating back massage session. In this tutorial, we will guide you through a slow and gentle massage to provide comfort and relief from muscle tension. Let's begin. As the massage starts, you will feel the tension melting away. Close your eyes and let the serene and soothing atmosphere take over. The massage therapist begins by applying gentle pressure to your back, targeting muscle knots and promoting blood circulation. Feel the tension releasing as the therapist's hands move in slow, circular motions. Breathe deeply and let go of any stress. The massage continues, focusing on different areas of your back to ensure overall relaxation and back health. As the massage nears its end, you will feel a sense of deep relaxation and renewed energy. Get ready to embrace the day.